Dealing with everybody's opinion, trying to do me. Only down one, I'm in the final, shooting threes like I don't give a fuck. Music we fucking switch the position up. We love the things that keep on bringing out the kids in us. Been working all my life to do some different stuff, and people have the nerve to say I'm young and haven't lived enough. I'm on the road, my girl's so sad I'm gone. It's hard when I can even find the time to call my mom, and she thinks I'm going Hollywood. I guess she probably should. It seems like people see the bad and don't acknowledge good. I feel the shade but I can see the sun. I'm cool, I got the time but feel the need to run. A fool is what I've become, young and I'm dumb. Been spending cake to get some bump in the trunk. Drums with a pump like some Reeboks. See me from the treetops, they worry but they need not. Heating like a teapot, now I think I'm cool cause I got a pair of shoes and more dough. A jacket with a Polo logo. My cup always filled with Henny, so no faux loco, but they should know so. I could go slow, you see that I'm smooth now. Used to ignore me, they study what I do now. With some help from Quali, and it's like on the beat, it's cool to say that my cipher complete.